the next sum. Sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k. Taking derivative of both sides. Is equal to derivative of constant k. Taking separate derivatives, ddx of sin y the whole square plus ddx of cos xy is equal to 0. Why am I writing it as 0? Because ddx of any constant is equal to 0. Now, derivative of sin y to the power square or to the power 2. Function of, I can compare that to a function of x, because y is a function of x to the power n, which gives me n f x raised to n minus 1 into f dash x. So, I get 2 sin y raised to 2 minus 1 into ddx of sin y plus. Now guys, before I deal with xy, I have derivative of cos of some function of x, because y is also a function of x, so this is a cumulative function of x. Derivative of cos of some function gives me minus sine of that function into derivative of the function itself. What is the formula I have used here, guys? I have used ddx of cos of a function of x is equal to minus sine of a function of x into derivative of that function. And what am I going to use in the next step? Derivative of sine of some function will give me cos of a particular function into derivative of that function. So going ahead from this step to this, 2 sin y into derivative of sin y with respect to x gives me cos y into ddx of y minus sin xy into. Guys, this is y is obviously not a constant and I have x, so this is symptomatic of the multiplication rule. ddx of ub, I get uv dash plus v u dash. As I very well know, v dash stands for dv by dx, u dash stands for du by dx. So this becomes 2 sin y cos y by dx minus sin xy x dy by dx plus y. Why am I writing d by dx of x is equal to 1. Derivative of x with respect to any x is equal to 1. And this is equal to 0. This whole thing is equal to 0. Going ahead, what do I get eventually? I can write 2 sin y cos y as sin 2y from my knowledge of trigo. Sin 2y dy by dx minus x sin xy dy by dx minus y sin xy is equal to 0. I can take y sin xy common, or I can take y sin xy to the right hand side and I can take dy by dx common on the left hand side. So I get, okay, I move to this part of the board. Sin dy by dx sin 2y minus x sin xy is equal to y sin xy. It works out to dy by dx is equal to y sin xy upon sin 2y minus x sin xy. So that's the sum.